So how did you hear about the Fulbright, the sustainability program? You guys came to Portland to learn about these things that we take very close to our hearts here in Portland: sustainability, being green. How did you get involved with this?
Well, there's a few enrichment seminars, like I think 9 or so, that are all over the US and on different topics, and social entrepreneurship is just something important. And especially I thought in the setting of people from about 80 countries that are here on the Fulbright. And the seminar is really nice to see all the different perspectives and see the countries where these things can be adapted, and have people from their countries talking about how they can maybe use that later on in their lives.
Okay, so there's a lot of bright young people here today. So tell me more about, you came to Portland. What was the idea here for this sustainability thing that you guys are at?
Well, the whole concept of social entrepreneurship is quite new, I think. It's only in recent years that this phrase was coined. And I think I'm in the field of communications, and communications is a very diverse and broad field. And that gives me the chance to sort of play around. It's sort of like interpersonal communication, global communication, and part of it is marketing communication. So my focus right now is a little bit on branding, and how actually social enterprises can brand themselves, and to use that, the power of business, to affect, to create a positive effect for humanity in general.
Mm-hmm. So what did you think? We had some good talks today. What did you think about? There were things like coffee that's sustainable, right? And these cook stoves.
Right.
What did you come away with from today's talks?
I think the common stream among the 3 presentations that we heard this morning was that you must have a passion for what you're doing. Yeah, because regardless of the scale of the operations that they have, the founders, I think they all started with an ideal in their minds. That is to help the persons around them, to help the communities around them. Like for instance, the street grocery. That project is still in its nascent stages, but you can see the sparkle in the eyes when they talk about the project, right? Even though I'm sure they're meeting a lot of difficulties, as with all enterprises, whether you're a social enterprise or you're a for-profit or commercial enterprise, definitely there'll be a lot of obstacles that you'll overcome. But yeah, I think as long as you have a passion for something, that's what will keep you going.